हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन आइगन वैल्यूज एंड आइगन वेक्टर यूजिंग जैकोबी मेथड। In the last video, we have seen finding largest eigenvalue using the power method. So, power method is applicable for finding the largest eigenvalue. This Jacobi method is also one iterative method which gives all the eigenvalues and eigenvector of a symmetric matrix. Jacobi method is an iterative method to determine the eigenvalues and eigenvector of a symmetric matrix. It is based on the rotation. Based on the rotation, and this method is to discard the off diagonal element in such a way that eigenvalues are preserved. So if you talk about the rotation, if you take one 2 cross 2 matrix, the rotation of the plane about theta angle will give by this rotation matrix cos theta minus sin theta and sin theta and cos theta. So this is the rotation matrix of a plane about angle theta, and if we have rotation of space along x-axis about the phi 1, so rotation along x-axis phi 1, so we can have matrix 1 0 0, and here we can have cos theta minus sin theta and sin theta cos theta 0 0. So this is the rotation matrix of a space along the angle phi. Similarly, we can have along the y-axis, along the z-axis. Now let us take one problem for find the eigenvalue and eigenvector of a given matrix, given symmetric matrix. So this method is applicable for symmetric matrix. So let me write one symmetric matrix here. So the matrix A equal to 1 minus 2 4 minus 2 5 minus 2 4 minus 2 1. So this is a given symmetric matrix. So the first step, we have the theta. We need to find the theta. So that is formula is tan 2 theta equal to 2aij by aii minus ajj, where aij is the largest off diagonal element. Largest of diagonal element. So if you leave that diagonal elements, so largest number will be 4. So we can have aij equal to 4, means 4 is, it is a 1 3 place, and a3 plus place equal to 4. So if I equal to 1 means a11 equal to 1, and j equal to 3 means we have a33 equal to 1. So let us find the theta. So tan 2 theta equal to 2 into 4 by 1 minus 1 equal to infinity, which imply theta equal to pi by 4. 2 theta equal to pi by 2, so theta equal to pi by 4. So here we have the entries a11, a33, a13 and a31. So this is the rotation along the y-axis, because here y is not appear here, so rotation along the y-axis. The coefficient matrix B1, rotation matrix, we can write in this way: rotation along y-axis, so this will be 0 1 0, and we can have cos theta 0 minus sin theta, and sin theta 0 cos theta. So this is the rotation matrix. Now theta equal to pi by 4, so your B1 equal to, I can write here, if you put theta equal to pi by 4, so B1 I can write 1 by root 2 0 minus 1 by root 2 0 1 0, and 1 upon root 2 0 1 upon root 2. So this is your B matrix. Now we find A1 matrix is the B1, actually B inverse A B1 we have. Since this is the orthogonal matrix, so the inverse can be replaced by transpose, because for orthogonal matrix A into A transpose equal to identity, A into A transpose equal to identity, so A transpose equal to A inverse. So we can have B1 transpose A B1. So let us see what is your A1. So your B1 transpose will be B1 transpose 1 upon root 2 0 1 upon root 2, and 0 1 0, and minus 1 upon root 2 0 1 upon root 2. So this is your B1 transpose, and A is the given matrix: minus 2 4, minus 2 5, minus 2 4, minus 2 1, and we can have B1 matrix here. So first row is 1 upon root 2 0 1 upon root 2 0 1 0, and minus 1 upon root 2 0 1 upon root 2. So this is the B1 transpose A B1. Let us try to simplify this and get the answer. So if you simplify that, A1 equal to B1 transpose A B1, so we get 5 minus 2 by root 2 0 minus 2 by root 2 5 0 0 0 minus 3. So if you see in this A1 matrix, so this is not diagonal matrix, so we need diagonal matrix. So for that we go for the next iteration. This is the end of first iteration. So now this is your matrix. We go for the second iteration. We have to keep on doing iteration until we get the diagonal matrix, and the diagonal entries are eigenvalues. So now for this matrix, let us try to find out the Aij. Aij is the largest of diagonal elements, that is the minus 2 root 2, and tan 2 theta equal to 2 Aij by Aii minus Ajj. So this will be, so here we can have minus 2 root 2 equal to, so this will your A12 equal to A21 equal to minus 2 root 2. So I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. So we can have here A11 equal to 5 and A22 equal to 5. So here we have 4 entries: A12, A21, A11, A22. Let us try to find that tan theta. So this is 2 into minus 2 root 2 divided by 5 minus 5. So this is the infinity. So tan 2 theta equal to tan pi by 2, tan pi by 2 theta equal to pi by 4. So if you see this, so this is here we have a11, a22, a12, a21. So this is the rotation along z axis. So we can have b2 here. So b2, if rotation along z axis means we can have 0, 0, 1, and we can have here cos theta and minus sin theta and sin theta, cos theta, 0, 0. So you put theta equal to pi by 4. So we have 1 upon root 2 minus 1 upon root 2, 0, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is your B2 matrix. Now if you take that B2 transpose, so this will be 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, 0, and minus 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, 0, and 0, 0, 1. So this is the B2 transpose. Now let us try to find the A2. So A2 will be B2 transpose, B2 transpose A1 B2. So your B2 transpose is 1 upon root 2 minus 1 upon root 2, 0, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, 0, 0, 0, 1. So BT transpose, and your A1 matrix is 5 minus 2 root 2, 0, minus 2 root 2, 5, 0, 0, 0, minus 3, and let me write B2 matrix here. So B2 matrix will be 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, 0, minus 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is your A2, that is the B2 transpose A1 B2. Now if you simplify that B2 equal to, if you have A2 equal to B2 transpose A1 B2, I have written the matrix. So if you simplify, so we get the diagonal matrix 5 minus 2 root 2, 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 2 root 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 3. So this is your diagonal elements. So B2 transpose A1 B2 equal to diagonal matrix D. So your eigenvalues are the diagonal elements. So 5 minus 2 root 2, 5 plus 2 root 2, and minus 3. So these are the eigenvalues, and for the eigenvector, that B1 equal B1 into B2 will give the eigenvector. So B equal to B1 into B2. So we can have B1 matrix 1 upon root 2, 0, minus 1 upon root 2, 0, 1, 0, and 1 upon root 2, 0, 1 upon root 2. This is your B1 matrix. Your B2 matrix is 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, 0, minus 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, 0, 0, 0, 1. So if you multiply, so we get one matrix. So that will be 1 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1 upon root 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 upon root 2, 0, 1 upon 2. So this is your model matrix. So the each column is the eigenvector. This is the, so in the second iteration we got the B transpose AB equal to diagonal matrix. So you have to keep on doing iteration until we get the diagonal matrix. And once you get diagonal matrix, so diagonal entries are eigenvalue, and if you multiply that all orthogonal matrix, this b1 b2, suppose we have third iteration means b1 into b2 into b3, so we get the eigenvector. Thank you.